What's up, guys? Welcome back. Jurassic World Rebirth trailer dropped, and we got a glimpse at what may or may not be the D-Rex. So, this bulbous head-looking creepy thing. But there's some fan arts of this. So, or is it? I don't know if it's official. It has the Jurassic World symbol on it, but it's probably fan art. So let's try and draw it. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. His head's small enough, although we might have to zoom in. It is a big enough head actually compared to the body. But we'll start with his eye, frowning sort of eye area. He is creepy looking. So we'll go this way maybe. Right? Just that diagonal line there. And his eye is inside, right? So, and it's quite small. Right. We'll put a circle inside. Just an area that we can color. And then he's got like a dot for a pupil, just boom. He looks like quite a wrinkly beast. So let's add some eyelids. Wrinkles and bags and stuff around his eyes. Okay. It's unclear in the movie what he looks like really. So this is sort of a shot in the dark, I guess. We do get a glimpse of him. Just his brow there. And then he's got like a little bit of a line that comes down towards his nostril. So you got like a dark nostril there. And like bumpy sort of wavy texture lines and dots and stuff are quite helpful on this guy. Because, you know, he looks sort of gnarly, So his top lip, right, kind of bumpy, right, and the way this was drawn, it's like exposed gum. He has gum disease, right? So there's all these zigzags here, and then it would go around to there. Right. So he has like a gum line then that comes underneath all these scars, right? So just this bumpy sort of line here underneath. Just fill it in. And then he's a piece of skin that joins his jaws together. So the bottom jaw like comes down the back here. And again, you can add some cuts and scars and stuff on his bumpy sort of mouth here. And his chin just there. And then it comes back up. Kind of looks like a Komodo dragon, kind of. Some textures on that. And then his gum line again, bumpy here. So before I add teeth and stuff, I'm going to do that big round sort of alien head. So the snout bumps up here, like so. And he's got like a real short face, right? And his skull is pretty much just like around here. So he's weird looking. And then I guess there would be all these wrinkles just where it sort of joins his head. Weird. This is the weirdest dinosaur. So he's got big teeth then. Here. Some of them are small. They're not sort of uniform in size, or although in the movie they might be. Bottom. Right, and then teeth down here. And his tongue. In there, and with some textures on his lip and gnarly wrinkles on his chin and stuff as well. Okay, he seems to have quite a large back and body. And his neck sort of fuses with his shoulder, kind of. Is that his arm? Does he have 4 arms? Okay. I think this is neck. So we'll go. That's probably his arm though. We'll go this way. Just start adding some wrinkles around his neck here. Lots of sort of wrinkles and veins and stuff coming around. Okay, and then he has kind of like a shoulder sort of starting here. And kind of the back of it maybe there. And then his bicep. That way. And then his elbow. Looks like his elbow has spikes, but I'm not sure. I'll just go wrinkly bumps in case they're not spikes. And then a big claw coming down this way. So I'll just leave that like that before we do the hand. I'll just get the rest of the main body in. So his chest bumps this way, 2 bumps, just like chest muscles there. And there's 2 little claws that stick out here as well. But again, as I said, we'll focus on the main body first. So we'll go up to the back. I've never drawn a dinosaur like this before, so it kind of reminds me of more like a kaiju, like Godzilla or something. So we'll just bump this, right, because it's kind of scaly, like a big back. And we'll just go sort of down this way then. And his leg will be somewhere here. It won't be well, I'll twist the tail. So the tail goes sort of, we'll twist it around, we'll bring it up that way. And it comes out from the back of the leg, which is his thigh and stomach sort of. It's kind of like the one. Looks like a leg, right? And his shin is there and his calf muscle there. So we got like some wrinkles just on the shoulder and the belly. And then I think the tail will just go. And I'm going to whip it around. In the drawing, it goes straight. So if you have more room, you can like bring the tail longer. But I'm going to act like it's kind of curved around him, because I can't really fit in a full. Just go kind of spiky with it back up here. It should get gradually wider as we, so if the center of it is like there, we'll get sort of a bit wider as it curves back into here. Okay. Okay, not bad. So maybe the curve center should be more, I don't know, maybe here. Yeah, I'll just get rid of this one. Maybe the center of it should be there, maybe, rather than that side. Let's see, I'll just erase that line, just so it'll fit on my page. Yeah, I think we'll get away with that anyway. So 1, 2, and there's texture. So we'll try and finish these legs, and then we'll put textures everywhere. So his front paw or claw down to a nail, like that. 3 claws, I think. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then there's like another like coming out the front down there. Nice. Back to a heel and up to there. Right, let's go again. So make another one out the front here. He's another leg in behind here. Okay, can be tricky now to draw it, like imagine it in behind, but you can just see some claws and toes sort of just coming down this way. Then there's those little ones, and there's another big one out the front here. Okay, toe, another toe here with a big claw on the end. I guess the inside of that toe should be there then. And we'll bring it back up to his body. Now, if I go too fast, use your pause button, okay? It is a godsend, the pause button. We should see a third toe, maybe a little bit just coming out behind that one. Did I miss any feet? 1, 2. Oh, there's the ones, these small little arms, right? So he's got like T-Rex claws, which is kind of interesting. You know, little sort of 2-fingered T-Rex arms just here. Right, and another coming down here. And they're kind of gnarly looking, so big spiky claws on the end. And so we should finish this leg up into here somehow. Okay, then we got to put textures everywhere. So if we start with, I would say, like, say his neck and spine, right? You'd have like a spine line just running down, a broken sort of line going all the way down to his hip here. And then this seems to have like little sort of curved lines coming over it. Looks like kind of armor maybe, or and then we got like wrinkles on the front of all this, like little dots and textures, all elbow sort of skin and stuff. And you just sort of add as much sort of texture you'd like, really. Usually at the front of the legs, there's, and toes, there's all these curved lines, heavy sort of skin lines. Kind of like armor plates. It sort of helps to show the curvature of his feet as well. And just keep adding little dots and wrinkles until you're happy. D-Rex, cool. Looking forward to seeing this. If he does look like this, of course. Who knows? Getting ahead of it. Could be getting ahead of the whole thing. Might not look like this at all. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.